I had a pleasure of attending the launch event for BYD's Dolphin Surf at the iconic Alexandra Palace, and it was truly impressive. The venue was stunning, the food exceptional, and the atmosphere buzzing with influencers and media professionals gathered around the star of the show, the Dolphin Surf. I also had the opportunity to test drive the vehicle, and it genuinely exceeded expectation. Comfortable, highly tech-driven, and remarkably practical for its price point, ranging from £18,650 to £23,950. The Dolphin Surf stands out as a strong contender in the compact EV market. Designed for everyday urban use and weekend getaways, the vehicle offers a range of 200 to 305 miles with dimensions of 3.9 meters of its length, 1.72 meters wide, and a height of 1.59 meters. It's backed by an 8-year, 200,000 kilometer battery warranty and 12-year anti-corrosion guarantee, while also providing 300 litre of boot space, expandable to 1,037 litre. The tech features are standout: voice control, digital key, OTA updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even in-car karaoke and YouTube access via BYD app. The design is both stylish and sporty, with color options like citrus yellow, apricot white, polar night black, and ice blue, complemented by sleek lines and floating roof and crystal-inspired C-pillar. With a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in 9.1 seconds, and 4 drive modes, which is snow, eco, normal, and sport, the Dolphin Surf balances performance and versatility. Safety is well covered too, with a 68.2% high-strength steel body, 6 airbags, and advanced driver assistance systems. Affordable, fun, and packed with features, the BYD Dolphin Surf is ready for wherever the road takes you. So it's a lovely scene, and it's actually quite comfortable. High level feel. I mean, the control itself is quite pleasant. Hi BYD. Voice assistant. So we're making quite sharp turns left and right here, and when you actually make a turn, you do get this sense of feel of support, which is really good actually. Normally when you hear a electrical sound, it's quite different. This one is like a very silent whiz. You won't feel the cheapness of it. The cushion is really nice, and yeah, there's a sense of this like prestige kind of feel despite the actual price of it itself. So if you press down, it's drive, so you can see the front camera, which is good. If you actually press on the back, reverse, that is, if you pull up, that's how you do it. And a 3D effect as well. Wow, look at that. That's the 3D effect of the car, that you can actually move around. Rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
Rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
Rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
So as you can see, it's warning you if you actually exceed more than 20 miles an hour. It shows you the speed limits, and that's quite clever actually. So because the car itself is quite, thin, not wide, it's perfect solution for driving in this such narrow road in central London. I mean, I find it really annoying driving my Merc on this like narrow road, but you can easily whiz around, and it's just perfect solution for city driving. Definitely want to recommend this. So I hope you find this video informative in regards to BYD's Dolphin Surf, but if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJP Tech. All the best. Bye bye.